Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a twist out, and the product that I will be using today is by Taliah Waajid. It is her curly curl cream, and that is the only product that I will be using. So this is a one product twist out. So I'm starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair, no leave-in applied. So on this section of hair, I sprayed my hair with water, and then I applied my styling cream. I'm making sure to get the cream onto all of my strands, and then once I am sure all of my strands are covered, I will detangle my hair. When done detangling my hair, I will begin to do my two-strand twist. And that is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my hair. So when I am finished twisting all of my hair, I will be back. Okay, right here, I just wanted to slow things down and give you guys a close-up of my curl definition from this product. I have never gotten this type of definition from a cream only. Normally, it would take a cream and a gel to give me that type of definition. And also, I wanted to mention that the consistency of this product kind of reminds me of a cream gel, but a thick cream gel. And the jar says that it's just a cream, but in my opinion, it is kind of like a cream gel, and my hair loves it. It leaves my hair moisturized, it left it shiny, and it left it defined, and it also had hold. So far, this is the best cream that I have used for my twist out. And I don't understand why I don't see a lot of videos or hear a lot of talk about this brand, because this cream is really good and very affordable. So I'm just going to continue to do my two-strand twist, and I will be back. Okay, I have finished twisting all of my hair, and since I do have low porosity hair, my hair would take 2 days to dry if I don't use heat. So I do sit under a hooded dryer for an hour, then I let my hair air dry the remainder of the time. And right here it is the next day, and I am just applying an oil to my scalp, and I'm going to massage that through. I always do a scalp massage, and then I'm going to spread the rest of the oil onto my twist. Now, I'm not going to do a lot of separating with my twist today because I need these twists to last me an entire week. So, day one, I just do very little separating, and then I lift my roots with my pick, and then I do a little more fluffing and separating with my fingers until I get my desired look. And each day, from day 1 through day 7, I will do a little more separating and a little more fluffing. Okay, y'all, that is it. I have my desired look, and the style is complete. And if you made it to the end of this video, that means you must have liked it. So could you please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you'll be notified for all of my future videos. And I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.